Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's discuss Assam ITI New Admission 2024. So, watch till the end. Assam ITI Admission 2024 Online Apply for ITI Course Admission. Assam ITI Admission 2024. Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training, DECT, Assam has released the official ITI Admission Notification 2024 for admission into government and private IT is of Assam for the session 2024 to 2025. Interested and eligible candidates of Assam may apply online at www.itiassam.nic.in. For admission in NCVT COE Trades, SCVT Trades, SCVT under IMC, NCVT under IMC, NCVT and SCVT Trades run by IMC in some IT is under Craftsman Training Scheme. ITI Admission Details. Name of course, ITI courses under government and private ITIs of Assam. Academic session 2024 to 2025. Recognizing Authority Board, NCVT and SCVT. Application mode online. Last date of application 14th June 2024. Eligibility criteria for Assam ITI admission. Course-wise eligibility criteria and other details for courses under different ITIs of Assam details discuss. 1. Stenographer and Secretarial Assistant, English, Fashion Design and Technology, Desktop Publishing, DTP, Operator, Multimedia Animation and Special Effects, Digital Photographer, Mechanic Auto Body Painting, Secretarial Practice, English, Cosmetology, Front Office Assistant, Fire Technology and Industrial Safety Management. Duration 1 year. Educational qualification, passed 10th class or its equivalent. 2. Computer Operator and Programming Assistant. Duration 1 year. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination. 3. BLTT, Bodo Language Transcription Trade. Duration 6 months. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination. 4. Mechanic Diesel, Pump Operator cum Mechanic, Plastic Processing Operator, Mechanic Tractor, Mechanic Auto Body Repair, Solar Technician. Duration 1 year. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination with Science and Mathematics or its equivalent. 5. COE Sector, BBBT Modules Plastic Processing Sector, Fabrication, Fitting and Welding Sector, Construction and Woodworking Sector, Information Technology Sector. Duration 1 year. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination. 6. Painter, General. Duration 2 years. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination. 7. Mechanic Agricultural Machinery. Duration 2 years. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination with Science and Mathematics. 8. Soil Testing and Crop Technician. Duration 1 year. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination with Science and Mathematics. 9. Electrician, Mechanic Motor Vehicle, Draughtsman Civil, Draughtsman Mechanical, Fitter, Machinist, Turner, Surveyor, Electronics Mechanic, Instrument Mechanic, Refrigeration and Air Conditioner Technician, Information and Communication Technology System Maintenance, Maintenance Mechanic Chemical Plant. Duration 2 years. Educational qualification, passed 10th class examination with Science and Mathematics or its equivalent. 10. Wireman. Duration 2 years. Educational qualification, passed 8th class examination. 11. Welder, Lumber, Dressmaking, Sewing Technology, Surface Ornamentation Techniques, Embroidery. Duration 1 year. Educational qualification, passed 8th class examination. Age limit. The age of the candidates for admission must not be below 14 years as on 1st August 2024. Interested and eligible candidates must first register their name online by visiting official ITI admission portal. Candidates may follow below mentioned steps to apply for these courses. Step 1. Scroll down, go to comment box and description box. Step 2. Click on the online registration form and complete the registration process by clicking New Candidate Registration. Step 3. After that again click on online registration form link and log in with your application number and password. Step 4. Fill your all personal and educational details and upload necessary documents. Step 5. After all these steps, please submit the online application form. Step 6. At the end, take a print out of the application form. Important dates of Assam ITI Admission 2024. Starting date of online registration 20th May 2024. Last date of online registration 14th June 2024 till 5 p.m. Assam ITI admission process. Admission process to various ITIs of Assam involves following stages. Stage 1. After registration, all the candidates will have to report at their nearest government ITI along with their all original documents, certificates etc. within the scheduled date and time for verification of their registration particulars. Stage 2. Candidates should note that after successful verification, they may fill their choices of trades and ITIs according to their preference to enable them to participate in the allotment process. Stage 3. Allotted candidates should take admission in their allotted seats, otherwise their candidature will be treated as cancelled. Stage 4. The passed out candidates from NCVT trades will be issued NCVT certificates and from SCVT trades will be issued SCVT certificates. Counseling for ITI admission. After registration, all the candidates will have to report at their nearest government ITI along with their all original documents, certificates etc. within the scheduled date and time for verification of their registration particulars. Next, the candidate has to fill his choices and save his choice within the stipulated time period as declared by the D&CT Assam in counselling schedule. After the choice filling is over, all filled choices of all registered candidates will be considered for allotment of seats as per merit, rank, and category of the candidate. The allotment will be made against one seat and the allotment of seat is purely provisional. The counselling process will be online only. So, thanks for watching the video.